In today's competitive business landscape, efficiency and streamlined operations are crucial for maintaining profitability and growth. However, many businesses have outdated or disjointed systems, leading to significant financial losses. Implementing an enterprise resource planning ERP system can help mitigate this risk, but understanding the importance and execution of such a system is crucial. Many problems arise without an ERP system. Data inaccuracy and redundancy. Without an ERP, businesses rely on disparate systems and spreadsheets, leading to data inconsistencies and errors. Redundant data entry increases the chances of errors, causing discrepancies that can be costly and time-consuming to fix. ERP implementation helps 74% of organizations bridge business or functional silos. Inefficient processes and lost productivity. Manual processes are inherently slower and prone to human error. When employees spend significant time on repetitive tasks like data entry, it detracts from more strategic activities. ERP systems automate these processes, reducing the time and effort required and freeing employees to focus on value-added tasks. 66% of organizations report that their ERP systems have helped increase efficiency. Poor decision-making. Without an ERP, accessing and compiling necessary data can be cumbersome and slow. This delay can result in missed opportunities and reactive rather than proactive management. An ERP system provides real-time data and analytics, enabling better forecasting, planning, and decision-making. 71% of companies believe that decisions are delayed if the ERP system is unavailable. Increased operational costs. Disjointed systems can lead to inefficiencies that increase operational costs. ERP systems optimize inventory levels, streamline procurement, and reduce wastage, ultimately lowering costs. 95% of businesses saw process improvement after implementing an ERP system. Compliance risks. Compliance with industry regulations and standards is essential but challenging without centralized data. ERP systems ensure that data is accurate and readily available, simplifying compliance reporting and reducing the risk of penalties associated with non-compliance. 75% of organizations that use ERP realized expected benefits with compliance. Customer dissatisfaction. In today's market, customer expectations are higher than ever. Delays in order processing, shipping errors, or poor customer service due to disjointed systems can lead to dissatisfaction and loss of business. ERP systems enhance customer service by providing a unified view of customer data, improving order accuracy, and ensuring timely delivery. 45% of companies experience ease in accessing customer and enterprise data, facilitating timely decision-making. Practical strategies for successful ERP implementation. Conduct a needs assessment. Before selecting an ERP system, conduct a thorough needs assessment to identify the specific requirements of your business. Engage stakeholders from different departments to understand their pain points and requirements. This will help you choose an ERP solution that aligns with your business goals and processes. Choose the right ERP solution. Many ERP solutions are available in the market, each with its strengths and weaknesses. Consider factors like scalability, customization options, user-friendliness, and vendor support. Evaluate multiple vendors and solutions through demonstrations, case studies, and references from other businesses in your industry. Develop a clear implementation plan. A clear and detailed implementation plan is crucial for the success of an ERP project. Define the scope, timeline, budget, and resources required. Establish milestones and deliverables to track progress. Ensure having a dedicated project manager to oversee the implementation process and address any issues that may arise. Ensure data accuracy and migration. Data migration is a critical phase in ERP implementation. Ensuring existing data is clean, accurate, and complete before migrating to the new system. Develop a data migration plan that includes data extraction, transformation, and loading ETL processes. Conduct thorough testing to validate data accuracy post-migration. Train your employees. Employee training is essential for the successful adoption of an ERP system. Provide comprehensive training sessions for all users, tailored to their roles and responsibilities. Ensure that employees understand how to use the system effectively and how it benefits their daily tasks. Monitor and optimize. After the ERP system is live, continuously monitor its performance and gather user feedback. Identify areas for improvement and make necessary adjustments. Regularly review system performance metrics and optimize processes to ensure the ERP system delivers the expected benefits. By implementing an ERP system and the practical strategies I mentioned, your businesses can mitigate these risks and achieve sustainable growth and profitability.